Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix PrizePicks payment method fail. Now if you are trying to withdraw or deposit a certain amount on PrizePicks but that keeps on saying that it has been failed or you're not being able to deposit or withdraw from PrizePicks, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to fix it, you need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi. After that, you need to simply open App Store or Play Store on a device. So by opening App Store and Play Store, you need to simply search PrizePicks at the very search box. So after searching PrizePicks, you need to simply open PrizePicks and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, then that may be also the reason that you are not being able to withdraw or deposit, and it keeps on saying that payment method is failed. So if that is the reason, and update it and see if it is working or not. And if you are still not being able to add the payment method, then you need to simply use a different payment method on the app. Now you need to simply log out from your app and you need to try the web version at prizepicks.com. Now to do so, you need to simply open prizepicks.com from a Google or Safari or any web browser which is good for you. So after that, you need to click on the option of PrizePicks and you need to click on the first option which appears on the top. So it takes some time. So from now here, you need to simply log into your account or click on the option of sign up, and now simply from here you may simply solve the error of payment method fail. Now you may simply click on the option of help center, and while clicking on help center you will see the option of withdrawing funds, depositing funds. Now if you want to withdraw the fund, click on this, and if you want to deposit the fund, click on this. So I'll simply click on this. Now here you'll need to learn a certain article, and you may also click on the option of request a withdrawal which is highlighted on blue. And if your withdrawing is failed, then you have to play 1x through the requirement, which means that you have to play through all the deposited funds one before withdrawing them. For example, if you deposit $25, then you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineup before you can withdraw. So this means that your withdrawal limit has not been reached, and you need to simply reach the withdrawal limit to withdraw it also if your payment, and that may be the reason that your payment may be failed. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.